In this video, we'll show you how to use the Civica Occupational Health Software with your PC-based Minispir. Why should you use the Civica OH software integration with your PC-based Minispir? This seamless connection provides a secure data connection between the PC-based equipment and the occupational health software in compliance with GDPR. In addition, it removes the need to manage and maintain multiple databases, avoiding data errors and potential data loss. There is no additional database to secure or maintain. There is no need to enter data manually, which saves time and reduces manual errors. Finally, there is no need to print, scan and download results, thereby improving workflows and protecting the environment. From the employee's file page, to add a spirometry test, you need to click on Add Activity. This opens a dialog box where you can insert spirometry and then click on Confirm. Then click on Start and Start Activity. Then you need to scroll down and add information about the subject, such as their height, weight, ethnicity, and any smoking. And then click on Start Test. Now Civica Occupational Health Software connects to your spirometer test module. The Mir Spiro test window will open and you can run the test. Once the test is finished, close the Mir Spiro test window and then the medical device window. Test results have been automatically populated into the current record. Further down the form, find the predicted and obtained measurements for the test. At the end of the form, you need to add the attendance date and select the outcome of the test. Finally, you can mark it as complete and click on OK to save it. To access the spirometry graphs, you need to click on Documents here and then click on the eye icon to view the PDF. In this preview window, you can download the PDF by clicking on the icon on the right. In the PDF, you'll be able to see a complete detail of the test, such as acceptance criteria matching ATS ERS 2019, variability, relaxed and forced test results with their full interpretation graphs. But access the graphs in the JPEG format, so you can add your own report. Once finished, you can click on Close to finish your spirometry health surveillance procedure. Thanks for watching this video. For more information about our audiometers, spirometers and other Amplivox solutions, please see the amplivox.com website.